Caution before assembly. Please put the product on the flat surface when assembling. There are small components used in the construction of this product. Keep the parts out of the reach of children when assembling to avoid danger. Assemble upright A and base leg C. Assemble upright A and upright B. Assemble back panel D to the left upright from lower layer to upper layer. Please hit with a hammer when assembling each layer of back panel. Assemble back panel D to the right upright. Assemble kick plate E. Assemble base shelf G. Assemble bracket F from lower layer to upper layer. Then, assemble shelf H on the brackets. Assemble top cover I. Assemble price holder J. This upright is shared by both units. Assemble back panel D from lower layer to upper layer. Assemble kick plate E. Assemble base shelf G. Assemble bracket F from lower layer to upper layer. Then, assemble shelf H on the brackets. Assemble top cover I. Assemble price holder J.